Hi folks. Welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. Let's find out how to create a video gallery page with MetaBox and Kadence. This is an example. The page is an archive page with a list of videos. Each video is saved in a post of a custom post type. The information of the video is also the default information from the post, even the short description, author, or date. Just the video is saved in a custom field. I have the Kadence with the Pro version here, to have some extra types of blocks to flexibly display the information. There is also MetaBox to have a framework for creating custom post types and custom fields. You can download it directly from WordPress.org. Besides, we'll need some MetaBox's extensions for the advanced features. You can install them individually, or use MetaBox all-in-one to have them all. In this practice, we'll use the MB custom post types to create custom post types for videos. And MetaBox Builder has a UI on the back end to visually create custom fields. Go to MetaBox and create a new post type for the videos. Since I want to show the author information for each video, I'll go to the Support tab and check this box. After publishing, you will see a new menu displayed here. It's your post type. In this practice, the related information of the video is the default supported by WordPress. So, I use only one custom field to save the video. Also, instead of uploading the video, I use a URL from another place. However, I won't use the URL field. The OEM-embed field will be the best choice in this case, because Kadence can display the video preview directly from the link saved in this field. Just go to MetaBox and create it. In the Settings tab, choose Location as the post type, and select Video to apply these fields to it. Go to the Post Editor. You will see the field displayed. Let's add some information. Pay attention to this author box. This section is available since we set it to enable the author feature for the video post type when creating it. Now let's move on to the next steps. To get information about each video from posts, you should create a query card first. This is a new feature of the advanced query loop from Kadence. It allows us to define the template for individual posts within the loop. Choose the wanted layout for the card. Then you will see some default blog posts displayed. Go to the right sidebar. Set the preview as the post type that we created. The preview will change, but please notice that it's just changing in the preview, not querying any data. This is the display area for each video as I expected. So now, I'll remove some unnecessary blocks. Next, choose the suitable blocks to get the corresponding information. First, to get the video preview, I choose the dynamic HTML block to have more options to customize the display of the video preview. Then, set the HTML content as post custom field and select the field of the video. Now you can see the videos displayed immediately. For this part below, there are 2 columns. So I add a columns block. I'm going to choose this layout. In the first column, I'll add an advanced image block to display the author's avatar. Instead of selecting any image, just enable dynamic image for this block. Click on this button and choose the author image from the drop-down list. Then you will see the author's avatar appear. Move to the second column. Choose a section block to cover all the rest information. Add a text advanced block to get the name of the video stored in the title of the post. Click this icon and enable dynamic content. Then choose post title. Next, for the author name, choose this one. For the video's description, I choose the dynamic HTML block again. Then set the HTML content as post excerpt. And the last information is the published date. Choose another dynamic HTML block and connect it to the post date. That's all the information in the videos that I want to show. Now, we can change some parameters in each block to have a better look. First, create a new page as usual. We've regulated how the information displays in the query card, but have not stipulated where it will query from yet. So now, add the advanced query loop block provided by Kadence and create a new query. For the layout, I will do it later, so skip choosing any pre-made layout here. There will be a place to choose which post type we want to query from on this screen. Choose the post type that we use for the videos. And don't forget to select the created card for the layout of each video display. Then this loop will inherit its layout and styling. Now, the page displays all the videos along with their information already. You can change the layout of the gallery by changing these settings. You also can use some CSS as well. Let's see how they look on the page. So, we've done creating the page for the video gallery. That's all for the tutorial today. If you want to try other tips with Metabox, please watch our other tutorials on this channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye.